Hello students, in this video I will tell you about muscular system. The muscular system is an organ system consisting of skeletal, smooth and cardiac muscle. It permits movement of the body, maintains posture and circulate blood throughout the body. It composed of cells called muscle fibers. Their main function is contractibility. Muscle attached to bones or internal organs and blood vessels are responsible for movement. All movements in the body is the result of muscle contraction. In our body there are about 600 muscles which account for half of the total body weight. The main function of muscular system are enable us to move our body, enable us to maintain good posture, help in the circulation of blood, provide us individual shape, protect and keep in place our abdominal organs, increase body temperature when they contract. Now we come to the types of muscle. According to their work, we can divide muscle into three types: voluntary muscle, involuntary muscle and cardiac muscle. Voluntary muscles are the muscles that are under conscious control and can be controlled at will, or we can choose when to use them. They are also known as skeletal muscles as they are attached to the bones. Voluntary muscles are responsible for the movement of the body parts and the locomotion. Some examples of voluntary muscles are biceps, triceps, deltoid, quadriceps and hamstring. The main functions of voluntary muscles are support, movement, protection, production of blood cells, storage of ions and endocrine regulation. Now come to the involuntary muscle. Involuntary muscles, also known as white muscles or smooth muscles, are muscles in the human body whose contraction is controlled by the autonomic nervous system. Involuntary muscles include all muscle whose activity is independent and not affected by voluntary nerve activity. Some examples of involuntary muscles are diaphragm, wall of the digestive system, blood vessels and intestine. The main functions of involuntary muscles are: in the bladder, smooth muscles help to push out urine. A smooth muscle determines the flow of the blood in the arteries. Smooth muscles move food through the digestive tract. Smooth muscles are involved in many housekeeping functions of the body. Now come to the cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscle is also known as heart muscle or myocardium. It is an involuntary, striated muscle that constitutes the main tissue of the walls of the heart. The main function of cardiac muscle is it pumps blood powerfully and efficiently throughout our entire life. Now we come to the difference between voluntary and involuntary muscles. Voluntary muscles are found mainly on outer limbs of the body like hand, leg, eyes and face. Involuntary muscles are found in the limbs of the body which are not controlled by us like intestine, blood vessels. There are many nucleus of tissues of voluntary muscles in cytoplasm. There are only one nucleus of every tissue of involuntary muscles in cytoplasm. If voluntary muscles are used more, they get tired. Involuntary muscles do not get tired. The fatigue of voluntary muscles is removed automatically by rest. Non-functioning of involuntary muscles means death. Voluntary muscles are controlled by the brain. There are no control of brain on involuntary muscles. Now come to the strength and development of muscle. For developing the strength of muscles, there are three things. Number one is good diet, second is exercise, and the third one is sleep. If we want to develop the strength in our muscles, we have to take good diet, we have to do exercise daily, and we have to take sleep 6 to 8 hours.